The following video has been produced by Lime Assistive Technology Ltd UK as a demonstration of how Alinea Suite's PDF reading and notation application can be used to read PDF documents using SAPI 5 voices that have been installed in Windows. This demonstration shows the first page of The Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens being read by 3 Indian English SAPI 5 text-to-speech voices which are available for purchase at https://limitedge.uk/tts-central/
Chapter I. The period. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness, it was the epoch of belief, it was the epoch of incredulity, it was the season of light, it was the season of darkness, it was the spring of hope, it was the winter of despair. We had everything before us, we had nothing before us, we were all going direct to heaven, we were all going direct the other way. In short, the period was so far like the present period, that some of its noisiest authorities insisted on its being received, for good or for evil, in the superlative degree of comparison only.
They were a king with a large jaw and a queen with a plain face, on the throne of England. There were a king with a large jaw and a queen with a fair face, on the throne of France. In both countries it was clearer than crystal to the lords of the state preserves of loaves and fishes, that things in general were settled forever. It was the year of our Lord 1775. Spiritual revelations were conceded to England at that favored period, as at this.
NRS. Southcat had recently attained her 25th blessed birthday, of whom a prophetic private in the Life Guards had heralded the sublime appearance by announcing that arrangements were made for the swallowing up of London and Westminster. Even the Cock Lane ghost had been laid only around a dozen of years, after rapping out its messages, as the spirits of this very year last past, supernaturally deficient in originality, rapped out theirs. Mere messages in the earthly order of events had lately come to the English crown and people, from a congress of British subjects in America, which, strange to relate, have proved more important to the human race than any communications yet received through any of the chickens of their Cock Lane brood.
We sell 12-month individual user and educational site licenses of Alinea Suite, as well as 3, 4, and 5-year for the UK's Access to Work, and Ireland's Workplace Equipment Adaptation Grant users. Text-to-speech voices are also available as individual licenses, educational and disability organisation site licenses. The text-to-speech voices that we sell are not for public use, such as for YouTube voiceovers, or telephony messages, but are available as site license products for commercial organizations who want employees to have access to text-to-speech voices to assist with accessibility or literacy difficulties. Please visit us at www.limitedge.uk. Web address pronounced www.limetech.uk